Did you know that ginger has been used for centuries not only for its flavor but also for its amazing health benefits? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the daily health benefits of ginger and how it can improve your overall well-being. Many people struggle with finding natural remedies to support their health. Ginger might just be the solution you've been looking for. Let's explore the various health benefits of ginger, from its anti-inflammatory properties to its ability to aid digestion and boost immunity. The key moment is discovering how incorporating ginger into your daily routine can have a positive impact on your health and well-being. To sum up, ginger is a powerful root with numerous health benefits that can easily be incorporated into your daily life. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Also, let me know in the comments if you've tried using ginger for its health benefits.